Welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked my previous video on how to give good advice. This video is going to be different. This video is going to be all about on how to DIY your room. So let's get started, guys. So, on how to DIY your room, first tip on DIYing your room is these little things right here. What I did with these is I bought some little these little canvases came with my art set for Christmas that I got. And what I did with them, I didn't know what to do with them whenever I got them. So what I did with them is, with the paint I got in my art set, was I decided to write my name in each little canvas I got back there over there. I decided to write each initial on it and take some thumbtacks to it and hang it on my wall like that. And then after that, what I do with the curtains, as you see that one and that one, that's the senior blanket over there is just hanging on my wall. That back there, the Christmas blanket is hanging as a curtain. It is usually made for a blanket, used for a blanket, but I didn't have a curtain whenever we moved here because we moved into a new house and we've been living here for quite a while now, but we didn't have curtains and we had to get rid of our old curtains. So this is another tip: whenever you don't have any curtains, or whenever you move into a new house, or you don't have any curtains for your room, use blankets. They're really good help. Use blankets. And also, another thing is I have this right over here. As you see, that is also covering, where am I going? Sorry. That is also covering a window as well. And that is a Harry Styles. That is a Harry Styles one right there. That is a Harry Styles one right there. I bought it online probably 3 or 4 months ago, and I really love it. And also what you can do is you can hang stuff on your wall. Like I have a painting right there behind me, and then you can, like this little love sign right here, I also bought it online, and it's a USB. So, and it lights up. Give me 1 second and I will show you how it lights up. It's very pretty. It's very pretty whenever it lights up. Give me 1 second. But yeah, it's very pretty whenever it lights up. Gotta open my computer. Well, alrighty. See, this is how it is lighted up. Once once I plug it into the USB, it says love on it. It's hard to see right now, but it says love on it. And then, you can just hang stuff all on your wall as you choose. This is my room. And so, yeah. And then if you don't have any space in your room, you can just hang stuff on your blankets. And it's a really good help. I think it is. So, yeah. So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed my video.